Today, we've got something incredibly exciting, lined up 10 mind-blowing tips to double your money in just 24 hours. Now, I know it sounds ambitious, but stick around because these tips might just change the way you approach your finances. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things money-related. Let's get started. Tip 1. Strategic investments. Our first tip is all about strategic investments. Discover the art of spotting potential winners in the stock market or other investment opportunities. Timing is key, and with the right knowledge, you can make your money work for you in no time. Tip 2. Cryptocurrency maneuvers. Cryptocurrency is a hot topic, and our second tip explores how to leverage this digital frontier. Learn the ins and outs of crypto trading and discover which coins have the potential for rapid growth. It's a fast-paced world, but with the right moves, doubling your money is within reach. Tip 3. High-yield savings accounts. Now, let's shift our focus to more conservative options. Tip number 3 is all about high-yield savings accounts. Explore how these can be a safe yet effective way to grow your money steadily. Sometimes, the tortoise does beat the hare. Tip 4. Forex trading strategies. For those feeling a bit more adventurous, tip number 4 delves into the world of forex trading. Uncover strategies that seasoned traders use to navigate the foreign exchange market and potentially double their investments in just one day. Tip 5. Real estate flipping. Real estate isn't just about long-term gains. Our 5th tip reveals the secrets of real estate flipping, a method where quick transactions can lead to impressive returns. Learn how to spot undervalued properties and turn them into profitable assets. Tip 6. Day trading techniques. Day trading is an art, and our 6th tip provides insights into successful day trading techniques. Master the skill of buying and selling financial instruments within the same day, capitalizing on market volatility for rapid gains. Tip 7. Entrepreneurial ventures. Tip number 7 encourages you to think outside the box. Explore entrepreneurial ventures that have the potential to yield quick returns. From online businesses to innovative projects, discover how your creativity can turn a profit in just one day. Tip 8. Option trading mastery. Options trading is a powerful tool, and our 8th tip breaks down the basics. Understand how options work and explore strategies to maximize your gains. It's a nuanced approach that, when done right, can lead to substantial profits. Tip 9. High-stakes poker mindset. Taking a detour into a different realm, our 9th tip draws parallels between high-stakes poker and financial decision-making. Uncover the mindset of successful poker players and apply those principles to your money management strategies. Tip 10. Networking and collaborations. Our final tip is all about networking and collaborations. Sometimes it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Explore how building meaningful connections can open doors to lucrative opportunities that could double your money in record time. There you have it.